How can you deliver a high-quality ambulatory care experience that meets the needs of your patients and clinicians? Ambulatory is an integrated suite of products and services designed to help improve efficiency, outcomes, and the overall care experience for consumers, clinicians, and clinics. Clinician workflows are tailored to the specialty and venue of care, giving end users a single viewpoint for reviewing charts and intake forms, entering orders, and documenting. Let's look at how ambulatory can impact the outpatient experience. Meet Carlos, a 65-year-old man who is new to Medicare. Population Health Tools flag Carlos's primary care team, letting them know he is due for his annual wellness visit. They contact him through his online patient portal to schedule his appointment. Through the patient portal, Carlos can easily schedule an appointment with his primary care physician and complete his online pre-visit forms. This leads to a streamlined intake process upon arrival at the clinic. At the clinic, the staff quickly checks Carlos in and reconciles any new outside data into his health record. During the visit, Carlos tells his doctor he wants to lose weight and live a healthier lifestyle. She refers him to a nutritionist who can help him meet his goals. After completing the exam, the doctor uses a smartphone to finish her documentation, allowing charges to be submitted before Carlos leaves the clinic. At checkout, the staff helps Carlos schedule a virtual appointment with the nutritionist to accommodate his busy schedule. They also tell him he can review his care instructions and pay his bill through the patient portal. Provide your team with tools designed to help you improve clinician efficiency and decrease burnout. Enhance revenue opportunities and reduce the cost to collect. Improve coordination and communication. Simplify referrals and reduce leakage. Promote patient engagement. Contact us today to learn more